Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Wistia to host videos and drive conversions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Wistia to host videos and drive conversions, start by visiting the Wistia website. Create a Wistia account if you haven't already. Click on the Get Started button to begin the sign-up process. Fill in the required information to complete your registration. Once your account is set up, log in to your Wistia dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Upload button to add your videos. Select the videos you want to upload from your computer. Wait for the upload process to complete, and make sure to check the video settings. After the upload, you will see your video in the Wistia dashboard. Click on the video thumbnail to access its settings. Explore the customization options available for your video. You can add a title, description, and call to action to guide viewer behavior. In the Embed section, select the options that best suit your website needs. Copy the embed code provided by Wistia. Now, go to your website or landing page where you want to display the video. Paste the embed code into the HTML section of your website. Adjust the placement and size of the video as necessary for optimal viewing. To drive conversions, focus on using Wistia's call to action features. You can add buttons or forms directly on the video for immediate interaction. Preview your changes to ensure everything looks and works correctly. Finally, publish the updates on your website to go live. Monitor your video's performance through Wistia's analytics dashboard. Use the insights gained to refine your video strategies for better engagement and conversions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.